got her bow ready to shine, ready to glow.
Time to twist something cool. Please book mid-clown action.
We're going to start by pumping up our 260 black balloon and tie a knot. We're going to start by making a pinch twist. And then an 8cm bubble. And then another pinch twist. We're going to make another 8cm bubble back to the first pinch twist. And then another 8cm bubble back to the other pinch twist. And one last 8cm bubble and tie it to the pinch twist on the other side. So now we have 4 8cm bubbles with a pinch twist on either side. Now to make the spikes on his head, we're going to start by squeezing some of the air out of the balloon so there's not a lot of air in that little bit, and then we're going to make a small pinch twist. And then we're going to do the same, so we're going to squeeze out some of the air, and we're going to make another small pinch twist. And then we'll do it again, squeeze out the air, and then make another small pinch twist. And then we're going to go one last time, squeeze out the air, and make a small pinch twist. And then we're going to tie the rest onto the other pinch twist on the other side. So as you can see, we now have these 4 pinch twists, but they're quite separated from each other, so it looks more like spikes. Feel free to adjust and put everything nicely into place. And then you can pop off the rest of that balloon and just tie a knot. Now we're gonna pump up our 260 yellow balloon little scrap. And then we're gonna tie a knot. We're gonna tie the end on one of the pinch twists. And using that balloon, we're gonna make 2 3cm bubbles to make the little feet. And then we're going to tie it to the pinch twist on the other side. And we're just going to secure it by pulling the tail and just stretching it to the other side and just tying a knot. Feel free to adjust it so the feet look a little bit more even. And the twisting part is complete. Onto the drawing. We're going to grab a white marker and we're going to draw these upside down semicircles for eyes, but make sure to leave a little dip. Then we're going to draw an upside down triangle for his little mouth. And we're just going to do an oval on the belly. Now what we're going to do is we're going to grab a yellow marker and we're going to color in the beak. And then we're going to grab a black marker and just make the pupils look a little bit more distinct. And your Balloon Badtz-Maru is complete.
we'll have a Balloon Badtz-Maru. Please comment down below what units to make next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.